Mastering collective nouns. Unlock the power of agreement. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of collective nouns and learn how to correct common errors related to pronoun-antecedent agreement. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use collective nouns correctly in your writing and speaking. A collective noun is a word that represents a group or collection of people, animals, or things. Some common examples include team, family, group, and class. Despite representing multiple individuals, a collective noun is often treated as singular because it is referring to the group as a whole. The pronoun-antecedent agreement rule simply states that a pronoun must agree with its antecedent, the noun it is referring to, in number and gender. When the collective noun is acting as the antecedent, it can be a bit tricky. In American English, collective nouns are usually treated as singular entities. For instance, we'd say, the team won its match, not, the team won their match. But in British English, it's common to use plural pronouns with collective nouns, especially when the group is considered as separate individuals. The key is to be consistent and consider whether you're talking about the group as a single entity or focusing on the individuals within the group. Let's look at a few examples. Incorrect. The committee have finished their dinner. Correct. US English. The committee has finished its dinner. Correct. UK English. The committee have finished their dinner. See the difference? Now it's your turn. Try correcting these sentences. 1. The band is ready for their concert. US English. 2. The audience was giving their applause. US English. Well done, everyone. Today, we've explored collective nouns and how to correctly use them in sentences, considering pronoun-antecedent agreement. Remember, the key is to consider whether the group is acting as a single entity or as individuals. This can be tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of collective nouns in no time. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English grammar. Happy learning!